We've had a great start to our day, and taking a peek outside, we're continuing to see just a little bit in high-level overcast with our Carterville cam, but these aren't rain-making clouds. We're not going to see much of that over the next several days. Some beautiful weather coming up, great for outdoor activities, but it's going to be a bit on the warm to, I can make a case for the hot side as we continue to push on through the week. The warm weather will continue, not looking at much in the way of rainfall. Let's go back first yesterday all the way up to 98 at Carbondale. The record, though, 105, so it can be hotter. Back in 1939, it sure was. Where should we be this time of year? Low 80s. 81 the average high, 56, yeah, in the morning. That's the average low. We wish, because the mild mornings will continue also, probably staying above 56 degrees. But as we go through the afternoon, again, another day in the low 90s for most of us. Harrisburg 91, Carbondale 92, Cape Girardeau, you're 93, Poplar Bluff, you're going to be at 93 degrees. Paducah 93, so you get the picture. Most of us will be in the low 90s, maybe some mid 90s down toward the south, Tiptonville and Union City, both climbing to about 95. So you kind of look and you're like, well, what month is this? Well, it's the second half of September, not July, not August, but it certainly feels like it. The humidity's not there, so I guess that's good. So the air mass is dry, and so is the ground. Latest drought monitor showing moderate to even severe levels of drought across most of the area, especially south. A little bit less as you work further north and west to our low levels of drought here, but you get the picture. It's dry, it's warm, and it will continue, and thus we've got these burn bans in place. So take a look. If your county's listed here, outdoor burning is prohibited. And now specified times when you can burn, it says not at all. So in Kentucky and in through parts of Illinois, this is where those burn bans are in place. And that's going to be TFN till further notice. And as long as this ridge to the north hangs on, you can kind of see it here, digging in and pushing south, dry air. We're going to continue to have most likely these burn bans, maybe even more, getting expanded throughout the region. Futurecast showing us nothing but net this afternoon, maybe some spotty showers, especially off toward the west of Handy and Piedmont. I really don't see any significant rainfall here across the area. So as we get through early Tuesday morning, some clouds come in, maybe a shower or two. These aren't even going to make a puddle, so don't plan on rainfall tomorrow. Again, there may be a shower around, especially south as you go through the afternoon tomorrow, but that's really not much, and it's not going to amount to much with temperatures once again getting close to 90. Forecast model in the future does show at least some hope, right? Still the ridge hanging on. Notice how it's kind of bouncing even through Wednesday and Thursday. Everything off to the west of us, maybe trying to break down by Friday. As we get into the morning, we could see in southeastern parts of Missouri, western and southwestern parts of Illinois, maybe starting to see a little wet weather try to get in here with possibly some rain showers. But the message stays the same until then. Hot weather, dry weather, but probably not breaking any records.